So hey guys, we've now come to the end of this video tutorial. We talked about BUSD margin futures in details. We talked about stable coins. We talked about what BUSD are in particular, and also mock trading for new users or users who want to just keep training their hands while using a demo cash or an imaginary cash on the Binance platform. Now also we also look into other areas of the Binance features. So guys, if you missed out on anything, you want to rewatch the video so you get the whole concept. And if you have any further questions, let us know in the comment section. We'll try as much as possible to attend to you. The links will be, all relevant links will be in the description box of this video, so you want to click on them. It's going to take you directly to the Binance platform. New users just need to register. It's going to give you additional bonuses coupled with affiliate links. Links are affiliated, so it's going to give you additional bonuses by just registering on the Binance platform. Also, if you're an old user, all you need to do is to log in and just continue your journey or kickstart your journey on the Binance platform. Now guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our videos. If you have any questions, let us know. Stay safe, peace out, and one love guys. It's your boy Keys. Nah guys, just messing with you guys. It's your boy Keys, guys. You're welcome to the opening of the video, guys. I'm going to show you a breakdown. I'm just messing with you. I'm going to show you a breakdown of the BUSD margin futures contract. This tutorial, guys, you've not missed anything, guys. So I'm going to in this tutorial, this is a basic overview of what we'll be covering here. I'm going to look into mock trading, stable coins, BUSD margin trading futures, multi-asset mode. So there are a lot of concepts. I'm just going to touch try as much as possible to let you understand how to go about this stuff. We're also going to look into the BUSD associated holding benefits. So these are the benefits associated, or these are some of the reasons why you should consider or you should choose to hold BUSD in particular on the Binance platform. Now also look into why BUSD is the best as trading collateral when you're trading on the Binance platform. Now you want to keep these in mind. Now for users who are new to BUSD margin futures contract, you want to know that BUSD margin futures contract are a linear futures product that is quoted and collateralized and settled in BUSD. Now this makes the entire transaction easy to calculate in US dollar, which is one of the most popular fiat currencies, and it's also related to other fiat currencies in the world in general. Now this makes BUSD margin contract as intuitive and easy to use as USDT margin contract. Now USDT is a little bit one of the most popular ones that most users should be aware of, but we'll be talking about that in a few minutes from now. Now, in fact, users who are familiar with USDT margin contracts do not need to spend additional time learning how to use BUSD, because BUSD and USDT work in same way, although there are some basic benefits we'll be looking into. Now, for the advantages you want to take note of is that for the BUSD on the Binance platform, the BUSD, which is the Binance stablecoin or stable asset which is pegged to the dollar, offers unique advantages compared to other stablecoins in the market. Now there is strict compliance, which is one key factor. The BUSD is a regulated stablecoin pegged to the US dollar at a 1-to-1 ratio, which this is a key figure. This is a key feature you want to know. So whichever stablecoin you want to know if it has a strict compliance. Now it's been issued by the body by Paxos and is approved by the New York State Department of Financial Services, which is one key benefit or one key reasons why most users find or most traders find this stablecoin a go-to area. Now also it is 100% backed by cash and cash equivalent, so it's not just backed to any token, or it's not backed to any other assets. Is backed by cash and also backed by cash equivalent. Now the BUSD reserves assets are subject to monthly audits by independent, so you want to take note of this keyword, by independent third parties to ensure the supply of BUSD tokens is back to the US dollars. These reserves are held in FDIC insured bank. Now on the futures platform, you want to know that Binance also has about $300 million in insured funds, where users who use the platform or use the futures trading are certified that their assets will not be, they can always get the benefits or the profits or losses. Their assets are always insured. So those are some basic concepts you want to know. Then also the BUSD also gives you the opportunity to purchase and redeem with zero fees. Now currently, as of recording, for a limited time, Binance has launched the zero maker fee promotion, where users can be able to trade with certain pairs, about 4 BUSD stablecoin pairs, and users can purchase and trade BUSD with a low fee and enjoy industry leading liquidity in the spot and margin market. Now these are some of the benefits you want to know. And also for the BUSD margin features are only available in the form of perpetual contracts, so that's one key feature you also want to know. Collateral and settlement: the contracts are denominated and collateralized and settled in BUSD. The margin mode that is available is both available for cross and isolated modes. Expiry date is perpetual, which allows you to hold positions to perpetuity unless liquidated. So this is very cool for users. Then the funding fee: the BUSD perpetual contracts carries a funding fee depending on their positions. Now clear pricing rules: a contract represents only one unit of its respective base asset. Now looking at the benefits, you want to know that you get to enjoy fee discounts and maker rebate fees. Now on the Binance platform, or in crypto space in particular, users get the opportunity to become maker, get maker fees or taker fees. So you can enjoy fee discounts by being either of these. By using the BUSD margin contract, you get to enjoy lower fees since you are a Binance trader. Now the fee discount applies to any trading pairs that include BUSD, such as ETH BUSD perpetual contract or BTC BUSD, just to name a few. So there are lots of them. Then also you also want to know that the ease of calculating returns is usually, since it's pegged to the dollar, it's easier for you to easily make your calculations and easily convert to your assets. So if you're in India or you're in United States, you already know that your BUSD is already pegged to your dollar, so you can easily know how much equivalent it is in fiat currency. Now also the versatility that is available, BUSD, since is the Binance USD stablecoin, is a universal settlement currency that allows traders to trade multiple contracts. So there are lots of contracts available on Binance platform, which these BUSD gives users the opportunity to trade with them. Now looking on how to trade, which we'll be looking into in a few moments from now, you want to know there are just about 5 steps. All you need to do is to open an account, complete your 2FA. Step 2, it says here, deposit and fund your account. Step 3, choose a contract. Step 4, and more. But guys, let's just go over to the basic concept. So guys, the link will be in the description of our video. So you beneath this video, beneath one of this video as of recording, you want to click on the link. It's going to take you directly to the Binance platform, where you can either log in or register. Now as a new user, you want to click on login, or as a new user, you want to click on the register button. Old users can just log in. Now you can decide to sign up an account using your email address or with your Google or Apple ID. Now let's go ahead with using our phone number or email ID. You click on it. It's going to request for you to use check to select a country that you're from. So you can select whichever country you're from. If you're from Australia, Barbados, Brazil, whichever country, all you need to do is to click on it, then click on confirm. This is how to get started with it. Then you click on confirm. It's going to take you here directly. Now you want to know that you get the opportunity to unlock prizes. You can complete the steps to create your account and unlock prizes. So you want to be aware of this so you don't miss out on benefits associated with being a new user. Now all you need to do is to put in your email address or your phone number and put in your password. Then you want to take note of our affiliate link, which gives you up to commission kickbacks for life. So you get up to 5% or even more by using our affiliate link, just by registering on the Binance platform. Then you click on next and you're good to go. Now once you're logged in, you can now go ahead to start trading on the Binance platform or start using the Binance futures platform. Now when we go over to CMC, you can see CMC is the world's leading crypto digital website, where you get access to information about crypto assets and more. Now you want to know that BUSD is being owned by Binance, and Binance is currently the number one in the crypto space. That's the number one cryptocurrency exchange in the crypto space. So it tells you how much trust or how much value BUSD is as regards the fact that it's being owned by Binance. Now you want to look into the launch date for Binance. Binance was launched in 2017. You can see there are even exchanges that were launched before that, but Binance rose. Okay, there's even an exchange that was done. Okay, you can see there are even exchanges that came up before Binance, 2013, 20 you can see the ones of 2014. So you want to go over to Coinmarketcap to see a list of exchanges on sports and also on derivative. Now for sports, you want to see Binance is also leading in the world. So when it comes to sport trading, derivatives trading, you can see the volume being traded here. For derivative trading, that is the trading related to futures trading. You can see there are about $55 billion being volume be traded on a regular basis. Now you can see the maker fees, which is one of the cheapest ones, and the taker fees, which are one of the cheapest in the crypto space. Now also you want to know that when you also use the, aside using BNB, which is Binance's native token, you also which gives you discount, by using BUSD you also get additional discount. Now I'm going to show you guys the ranking, and also I'm going to show you guys the list of exchanges or list of stablecoins we have in the crypto space. Now if you want to check out stablecoins, you want to click out stablecoins here. It's going to show you a list of stablecoins and their rankings in the crypto space. So you want to know that in the crypto space there are lots of crypto assets, or there are lots of crypto assets. Now the good thing here is that the fact that the crypto space is usually very volatile, it's brought out a need where by users needed a particular cryptocurrency or asset in which is being pegged to the dollar, which does not lose its value or is not as volatile as other assets. So that is how these stable coins came into existence. Now one of the very first ones we have is Tether. Additionally, it was usually called another name, but you can see Tether is currently ranked at number 3 in on Coinmarketcap. You can also see USD coin, USDC, which is a stable coin. So these are a list of the stable coins that we have in the crypto space. At least there are loads of them, but the good thing here is that each of them has their individual characteristics. So you want to take note of the particular ones, so you know whichever one is going to be very beneficial to you. Now we're going to look at the top 3, which is a Tether, USDC, and also Binance BUSD. Now looking at Tether, you want to know that Tether, you can see the price of Tether is currently at 0.9991 as of recording. The price is usually $1. So it was launched in July 2014, and it was initially called as Ring Coin. So the link will be in the description box so you guys can check it out. Now looking at the one for USDC, you want to know that USDC is currently available in lots of markets, and also you want to check that I think it was launched in who are the founders. You can see the founders are Jeremy Allaire, then also co-founders. There are loads of people that co-founded this token. Then February 2021. I'm going to check out for the dates, but okay, it was a limited basis in about 2018. I think it was launched about 2018 or so, or thereabout. Then for BUSD in particular, you want to see that Binance launched in 2017, but the stablecoin got launched in February 5th, September 2019. And BUSD aims to meld the stability of the dollar with blockchain technology. It is a digital fiat currency issued as ARC support token. So you want to make your research, you want to understand the basic differences between each of these stable assets and how their peg is being done. Now, one of the major reasons why you want to put this in mind is because of the recent issue we had about Terra UST, which was a supposed US dollar backed stablecoin, but it apparently lost its value. So you want to see that the Terra blockchain officially altered, and the UST has remained depegged from the US dollar since on the 9th of May 2022. Now these are some of the challenges most users had, where they lost lots of funds. So you want to keep an eye on this. So one key feature you want to take, or one key note you want to take out of here, is the fact that Terra USDT was launched in 2020. So you want to take a look at the projects that have been there before. Now some of the oldest stablecoins are USDT, and also we also have a USD, then also the BUSD. Now you want to see that Binance is the leading cryptocurrency exchange, and as such it currently has a cash reserve which it uses in backing up this stablecoin, or ensuring that the stablecoin is currently stable, that is fast stable. Now the issue about the UST situation is the fact that the pegging was being done, or it was being pegged to the Luna token, which broke, which made it add some issues, which made it add some issues that could be exploited. So these are some key features you want to know, key differences between these individual stablecoins. Now going forward, let's look in deep about this article that talks about stablecoins in particular, so you can also get to know about what stablecoins are. Now for stablecoins, the main takeaways here are stablecoins are cryptocurrencies with your values pegged to another asset, which is usually a fiat currency or the US dollar. Now BUSD is a stablecoin founded by Paxos and Binance, and is one of the few stablecoins that are compliant with strict regulatory standards of New York, that is the NYDFS office. Now in addition, there are currently more than 36 exchanges and more than 20 wallets supporting BUSD, making it a reliable option for stablecoins. Now you want to know that most of these newer stablecoins, which are currently, they've not tested or they've not been around for too long, they might not be a very good stablecoins to push through with, unless you make your good research. So you want to always make your own research. Now, however, stablecoins are an important crypto asset class that has been gaining popularity because of the fact that they give users an opportunity to minimize their losses when it comes to market volatility, because their assets are usually pegged to the dollar. Now, looking at what is BUSD, the BUSD stablecoin was founded by Paxos. A key characteristics of BUSD is the 1 unit of BUSD is equivalent to $1, which we've talked about here. Now, I'll be leaving this article in the in the article below, in the link below this article, the link in the article below. Now, is the BUSD safe? You want to know that BUSD is one of the only stablecoins that is subject to regular third-party and strictly regulated to maintain a 1-to-1 BUSD to USD ratio, which is very okay. Now, this being said, now we're going to just go over to the Binance platform, so you see how to get started. Now once you're done with all the necessary registrations and everything you need to do, we're currently logged into our Binance account already. So this is an overview of our wallet. You can see our features wallet. We currently do not have any funds here. I'm going to click on the overview for you to see. I think we have some funds in our account which we're going to push through with trading on the Binance platform. Now for a new user, all you need to do is to click on the buy crypto. You can decide to fund your account using any of the funds, any of the means available. You can buy through peer-to-peer function, or third party, or your credit card or debit card. Now I think I have some funds in my N wallet, which is earning passive income. I'm just going to go ahead to release some funds. So this is a flexible savings, so it gives you the opportunity to redeem some of the funds you have in your account. So I'm going to redeem, let's say about 25 BUSD. I'm going to redeem this BUSD. Now you can see that the redeem is successful. Now I'm going to go ahead. I think the funds is going to be transferred directly to our fiat and spot account. Now once I can see, okay, you can see it here, we now have about 25 BUSD here. Now I'm going to transfer these funds directly to our futures account, so USD margin futures account. You can see I'm going to transfer max, click on confirm. You can see we now successfully transferred these funds to our futures account. Now all you need to do to get started is to click on this top icon here. It's going to take you it's going to show you a drop down menu where you need to click on the USD margin futures. You click on it, Once you click on it, it's going to take you directly to the futures trading platform, futures trading page, where you can now get access to start trading or quick start your trading journey. Now for new users, you might get to, or you may be shown some prompt menu where you need to complete or be aware that cryptocurrency trading in particular is usually very risky. So you want to be aware of how to go about it, and you want to be aware of the basic concepts before you finalize before you be allowed to start trading. Now you can see here on default is on BTC USDT pair. Now to change it to the BTC BUSD perpetual or the BUSD margin contract, all you need to do is to click on this icon. But before that, you want to take note that we currently do not have any available assets for USDT in our wallet. We currently do not have anyone in our wallet. Now there, I'm going to click on this and switch it off to BUSD margin futures contract, so we can see that the 25 BUSD which we have in our account will now start reflecting. Now also on the Binance futures page, you also get access to use the multi-asset mode. Now the multi-asset mode gives you an opportunity to easily use your assets in it for both BTC contracts, USDT pairs, as well as BUSD pairs. So that's what the major concepts of the multi-asset mode. Now on default is going to be on the single asset mode. You can see the price of BTC is currently fluctuating. You can see our 25 BUSD here on our futures account. Now you can start to kickstart your trading. If you want to start trading, you can initiate trades also. But I'm going to show you guys the futures, how to go about the multi-asset mode. Now for the multi-asset mode, you need to click on the preference. When you click on the preference option, is this top icon here, click on it. It's going to click on the preference. On the preference mode, all you need to do is to click on this asset mode. On the asset mode, you want to see on default, this is on default, it's going to be on the single asset mode. You can see on the single asset mode, all you need to do is to switch it up to the multi-asset mode. Now the multi-asset mode, you can see the multi-asset mode has been adjusted successfully. Now the multi-asset mode allows you to, it's only supported in the cross margin mode, and it allows you to use your assets. So this 25 BUSD can be used in trading pairs that are associated with USDT pairs, margin pairs. So it gives you an opportunity to hedge against the price fluctuations in the market. For pairs associated with USDT, you can easily, instead of the time it will take you to easily convert your assets back to USDT to start trading those pairs, you might have missed out in some of the benefits that you want to push through it. But this gives you an opportunity to easily trade whichever pair you want to trade using this particular feature. Now I'm going to switch back to USDT perpetual pairs. So you're going to see that we now have also 25 USDT in our wallet. So I'm going to wait for it to load up. You can see I'm going to wait for it to load up a little bit. Now you also want to take note of the prices. I think for BTC BUSD pair, the price of BTC was about 20,500 and something. So you want to know it's even a lot more. You can see the price differences there, a little bit of price differences here. But now you can see the USDT we have available USDT, which is 25.05 USDT. Now if we were to switch back to the single asset mode, the funds in this USDT will no longer reflect. Now we can use these funds to either trade directly here if we want to trade, or we can also decide to switch back to the BUSD pair, whichever pair we want to switch. But what you should know that there are benefits attached with using the BUSD pair. That's why you want to stick to using the BUSD pair. Now also you want to know that on this icon here, when you click on this top profile icon, you get access to the mock trading platform. where you can now trade with the demo account, or use a demo account that gives you an opportunity to trade futures. As a new user, you don't want to invest your assets immediately. You want to start with mock trading. You want to click on it, and it's going to take you directly to the mock trading platform, where you can get opportunity to use cash reserve and start trading. Now it says here the testnet is requesting access to your Binance account. All you need to do is to click on continue. So I'm going to click on continue here. So I just clicked on continue. I'm going to wait for it to load up a little bit. So this gives you an opportunity to trade on the Binance futures testnet. So if you don't want to start with your cash, you want to practice first, this should give you an opportunity to train your hands or your trading experience. Now right here you also get an opportunity. Okay, this is the quiz that we were talking about for new users, where you need to complete a quiz, or you need to complete some basic concept or basic prompt messages that usually come up here, just to keep you aware that you understand what the Binance futures is all about. Now for quick starter, you want to know that this video is not meant for financial advice, so it's just an educational overview to give you how to some basic reasons on why you should consider trading these, and basic overview. So you always want to make your own research, and make sure you have done your research, your due diligence, before pushing through with any decision. Now you should take note of the fact that in our account here, we can now see we have about 3,000 USDT. So the mock trading, or the demo account, gives you an opportunity to start with as much as 3,000 USDT. Now if you're a good trader, you're an experienced trader, you can multiply this figure as with the shortest possible time, or you could do with the shortest possible time, depending on your level of experience. Now for new users, what you need to know is the fact that for beginners, before you start trading, you want to check towards your leverage. Now on default, it's usually going to be around 20x leverage. Now the leverage gives you an opportunity to amplify your gains as well as amplify your profits. Now you want to know that this has the potential of liquidating you. By liquidation, we mean that you can lose all your money or all your available assets if your trades go in the wrong direction with the rate you've set it to, or with the amount of leverage you set it to. So if you set it at a leverage rate of about 20x, so it's going to amplify that losses by about 20x. But if you are lucky enough, you made a good trade, it's going to amplify your profit by about 20x. So best advice is not to gamble, to be sure, and to do your own research, or to become a good trader just before you start before you start using too much leverages. So it's very recommended you want to use leverages below 10x. So I do recommend maybe you want to use maybe 5x or about 2 or 3x. You could even start to use about just 2x. This is just to build your confidence or more. Although your profit rate, the rate at which you make profit, might not be very fast, but at least you will not be wiped out very fast too. So that's a basic concept you want to know. Now I'm just going to leave this a little bit at about 5x leverage, and click on confirm. So click on confirm here. You can see our leverage here, so it's set at cross. Now I can decide to go through with market orders, which is really very fast for me. Now you can see the chart. You want to read out the chart to understand where you want to push through the market. So the market has been coming down. This is a 1 minute time. Okay, this is a 1 day time frame. So I'm going to use the 1 minute time frame to see a clear overview of what is currently happening in the market. So this is how the market is currently going. So we have some red candles, blue candles. So you can decide to go short or long, whichever one you want to push through it. Now we're currently in the bear market, so it is most likely that BTC is struggling with these prices that we're currently seeing. Now you also want to take note that we are currently in the BTC USDT pair. Now I'm going to change this to the BUSD perpetual contract, so you can see. I'm just going to switch it up to the BUSD perpetual contract, so you can see how to go about it. Now I just switched it up. We're going to wait for it to load up so you can see. Now on default, it's going to still be in the single asset mode. All you need to do if you want to start trading with the BTC BUSD margin contract is to click on this top icon here, click on the preference option for desktop users and click on the asset mode. Now you now get the opportunity to click on the multi-asset mode, and you can see the multi-asset mode has now been set. Now you can see here the BUSD we have is now worth about 2,937 BUSD. Now one thing you need to know is that the value of BUSD as of now is a little bit higher than that of USDT. So that is why you are seeing that is about 2,937. So BUSD could be about 1.001 as compared to USDT that could be at about 0.9998 dollars as pegged to the dollar. So those are there are little bit of differences. So as of now, lots of users are currently finding more confidence and reliability with using the Binance BUSD stablecoin, as it has a lot of cash reserve that is backing it up and making it more stable for users. So it has a kind of a fail proof or a strict compliance. So that's one key concept you want to know. So coupled with the crypto crash for UST, Terra Luna, most users just want to find solace in a particular asset or crypto asset that is currently doing well or has the potential of not being wiped out, So this is very much likely possible because of the fact that Binance is currently the #1 exchange in the world, and it currently has lots of cash reserves and lots of resources to pull together to withstand any issues that might be coming up in the long run. They also have one of the best minds working in the crypto space or working as a team in the Binance platform. Now all you need to do is to push through, set the orders as market order. Market orders allows you to be a taker. It gives you an opportunity to be a taker. It gives you an opportunity to pay taker fees. So market orders are orders that are usually initiated immediately. So if you want to get the benefits of getting limit orders, of getting maker fees, you want to push through, you want to make your orders using the limit orders. Your orders might not be filled as immediate as market orders, but it could be also be filled depending on the price you set it. So most users that usually use the limit order usually set it at a lower price, so they can buy at a certain price or you buy at a more convenient price. Well, users might want to just go with the market price, and it could be a little bit more expensive. Now I'm just going to click on, let's say you want to go long for BTC. So I'm going to click on long. So it says here we need to pass the quiz. Now as a new user you need to pass this quiz, so I'm just going to do a random follow up here. Since we've not used the testnet for a while. That's why it's currently showing us so all the money. But the good thing here is that Binance also gives you the opportunity to get the answers, I'm going to click on this. I'm just going to try as much as possible to get this as fast as possible, but I think agree. These ones are usually agree. These are just terms and conditions that you need to agree to. So I'm going to click on submit. So you can see 6 questions not gotten. So I'm going to click strong gambling, yes. Then next is, so you want to look at the corrections, and also you want to learn from them. The altcoins will be wiped, Then also it says which of the following description of profit realized. Let's go next. The executed price, order price. Now keep divide. Okay, going to divide, then follow suggestions. No, check your connection. Keep repeating, follow suggestions on the internet. Okay, submit. Let's see what we now have. 2 questions left. So these and these, guys. So I'm going to click on submit. So now we just submitted all of them. So this is how you need to walk your way through it. Now we're going to look if we still okay. You can see the time we spent in completing the quiz. We might have missed out on the profits we want to make initially. So all we need to do is just to click on it. An order has been submitted. You want to look at your order. It's currently making, we've made about 8 BUSD already, and also 15 BUSD. So you can decide to close this. You don't want to be too greedy, close this. And also if you feel you want to close it, so we just made about $36. We just made about $36. So I'm going to refresh this for you to see. I think we did 20x leverage. I think we did 20x leverage. So you want to always take note of the leverage that you're currently using, so you don't miss out on the leverage that you're supposed to use. So you want to take note of that and be aware of what you're currently using. So those are some key concepts that will help you in your journey. Now I'm going to show you the next on the list. So this is how to go about using the mock trading mode. All you need to do is just to start using it. There are also lots of guides here where you can also get access to guides and materials. I'll be dropping all the links in the description box. You can also check out our previous videos to see some helpful tips on how to trade on the Binance futures with this BUSD margin contract. Now looking at the BUSD margin contract, you want to know that it's more secure, less fees that are being charged and more. Now also you get zero maker fees, and you can also lend and up to 15% APR by deposited BUSD. Now futures use BUSD as futures cross collateral. You can also borrow at the lowest 6.3% APR, annual percentage rate, lowest interest rate on Binance. So these are some basic concepts. Now for users who want to understand how to use the multi-asset mode, we've also done a full complete tutorial on that. The link will be in our channel, so you can check out the full complete guide on the multi-asset mode tutorial that will drop the bar. But the basic concept is the fact that it gives you the opportunity to hedge against the to use your assets, to individual margin that you have in your asset for either the BUSD pair or the USDT pairs. You can either trade with them. Then also you also want to know that these are the breakdown for the fees that or the basic differences between trading trading with the BUSD pairs as well as the USDT pairs. Now you want to know that whether you are a maker or you're a taker fee, you always get a discount. When using BUSD pair. Now for BUSD pair as a maker order, in a scenario where you get a rebate of $10, which is about minus 0.01%, but for USDT pairs you'll be charged about $20. So now in this scenario you've saved about $10. You can see $30 here. Now for you are where you need to spend about $17. For the USDT pairs you'll be spending about $40. So here you'll be saving about $23. So you also want to know about the basic differences. These are the total savings and total differences. So you want to be aware of these basic differences. Now one of the major reasons why people are in the crypto space is to save money. So while you're trading, Binance is sensitive enough to, or try as much as possible to save you money in order for you to maximize your benefit and experience. So guys, I hope you now understand the basic concept about how the mock trading works, what the stablecoins are in particular, then also the BUSD margin futures trading steps, how to go about them, then multi-asset mode. We talked about multi-asset mode, then CMC rankings for stablecoins, and also trading BUSD margin contract, how to go about it, why the BUSD is best as a trading collateral. Now for users who are using mobile app, I'm still going to show you guys how to go about it using the mobile version, how to initiate your trades. I'm going to go over to my screen now and show you how to initiate a trade using your mobile app, or how to navigate using the mock trading, as well as initiate your trades using the BUSD margin futures contract, guys. So for users who are using mobile app, all you need to do is, once you're logged into your mobile app, or you can click on this menu here that says more. It's going to take you directly to the list of services available on the Binance platform. Now here you can go over to the trade menu and click on the futures icon. Now you can see the futures icon right here. All you need to do is to click on it. It's going to take you directly to the Binance futures where you can now start trading. Now if I just clicked on it, you can see the assets we have in our account, just like the asset we had in while using the desktop version. So you want to take note of this. Now this is it. Then also, if you do not want to go through this menu, all you need to do is just click on this bottom icon here. On the bottom icon, you get access to the features menu. Now here you can decide to switch over to the features, to the multi-asset mode or the single asset mode, but currently as of recording it is still in the multi-asset mode. That's why you can see we have 25 BUSD here. You can also switch to check the USDT pairs and also see whichever prices that you want to start trading with. Now a quick way for mobile users, you can see the multi-asset mode is being listed here. All you need to do is to click on it. You can click on the multi-asset mode to switch it up. Then also I'm going to click on it now. You can see it's going to take you directly to the multi-asset mode, where you can switch between the multi-asset mode and the single asset mode for you to start trading. Now you can also click on the top icon here. You want to click on the top icon. There's the top icon here, just like we had in the desktop formula. Just click on the top icon. Now on the top icon, you get access to the mock trading menu. Then also you also get access to the preference option. The preference option takes you directly to the multi-asset mode. Then also the mock trading takes you directly to the mock trading menu, where you can test net and also start trading with a demo account. Now these are some of the benefits you get on the Binance platform or by being a Binance user. So I just clicked on the mock trading for the demo accounts for you to see how far we're going. So I'm going to click on continue. Now you want to take note that we made some profits while trading on the Binance using the demo funds. Now right here it's currently showing about 2,963 BUSD. That's what it's currently showing. But what I want you to take note of is the fact that the funds that are being sent to us are being shown in USDT. So for the multi-asset mode, since this mock trading account, we're going to set it to the multi-asset mode, the profits and the losses are going to be shown in the USDT pair. This is the basic concept you want to know, that the profits and the losses will appear in the USDT pair once you are done with the whole modes. Once you're done with the mode, so once you switch back, it's going to see it there. So now I'm going to show you also, this is the mode here. Then this is the leverage. You can also click on this back to live just to go back directly. Now I'm going to click on a USDT pair so you can see what we currently have and the profit that we made. So this is BTC USDT. So you want to see that we started with about 30,025 USDT and we made about 25 USDT profit in less than 2 minutes. Now this is only possible because of the leverage we used. We used a very high leverage. I think we used about 20x leverage. 20x leverage. Now you can also go over here to see your transaction, to see what you did. You can go over here to see your trade history. You can see what you did. We did a buy order at 20,569.72. You can click on it to see the analysis and the leverage that you use, everything, just for you to get an overview. So this was the fee we paid. So you want to know, this was the fee we paid, about 3 BUSD and more, because we use the market order, but it's way cheaper. It's way cheaper than when compared to using other pairs or other stable assets in trading. You also want to know that we're giving about 2 BTC. So you can see here we have about 30,025 USDT. Now you can decide to push and still practice more and trade as much as possible. Whichever way you want to trade, you can continue trading as much as possible. Now I'm just going to go back live. I'm just going to go back to our live account. I'm going to click on go back, and you can see here this is our account. Now we can decide to switch back. I'm going to click on this M here and switch back to the single asset mode. For this, you can see that we switched successfully. Now we still have our 25 BUSD here. Now if we were to go and search up for the USDT, you see that we do not have any USDT in our futures account. So this is our normal account. You can either decide to switch and also start doing demo trade just to practice and become perfect. Now guys, I do hope this tutorial is helpful to you as you buy keys. Thanks for watching. Any questions, let us know. Any feedbacks, let us also know. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. With the hope of this video, I do hope you now understand the basic concept and all you need to know. I'll be dropping on the link in the description box guys below. Peace out, one love, and stay blessed guys. Your buy keys.